Hey traders, this is Chris with another No BS Forex report for December 9th, 2019. And here we are looking at the US dollar as we usually start off with. And as you can see, we're in a long-term uptrend going way back to 2013 and probably even longer actually. We've really completed this reverse head and shoulders pattern. You can see the top of the head down here at 11.5, the next kind of around 12, so we got 500 points on the up move from 12, and we really are stalling out around this 12,500. A lot of resistance up here. Double top over here, triple top, almost four tops over here. So there's a lot of resistance up there at 12,500. So you can see we kind of pulled back from that, and now we're hitting some support here at 12,280. So I still want to be long. This long-term uptrend is still intact. You can see we've kind of got a line drawn here that almost intersects with this 12,250. So as long as we hold 12,260, 250 range, I want to be long the dollar. We've got the FOMC coming out later this week, so we'll see how that impacts price. But right now, I really want to be long dollar, probably against Euro and Aussie, and potentially even Kiwi. So both of those economies seem a lot weaker to me than the U.S. economy is right now. So that's how I feel about the dollar, especially on the long term. Let's take a look at Euro. We'll take a look at Euro dollar first. So again, just opposite of the dollar, we're in a huge long-term downtrend here. Here's the top of the channel, going back quite a ways. So we do have potential to go up. We could go all the way up to 119 and still be in this long-term downtrend. But for now, looking at a little bit shorter time frame, going back to the beginning of the year, as long as we hold this 114, I still want to be short. And right now, in the immediate term, I'm just looking at this 111. So as long as we stay below 111, 111.10, somewhere in this range right here, I want to be short Euro. Lagarde is speaking later this week, so we'll see if she has any impact on price. So any move up into this 111, I'm definitely going to be going short. There's some opportunity here if you wanted to go short right now with a really short stop around 112 or 110.70, 110.80. There's a lot of room down below here. 110 is a target, and then 109 possibly longer term. So that's how I feel on the dollar, or the euro dollar, sorry. And a couple of the yen pairs I'm looking at, euro yen. You can see I've taken some short opportunities here just on the shorter time frame trades. But again, I'm looking at 121. As long as we stay below 121, I want to be short euro yen. We're coming back into this channel here around 120. So if we break 120, I'm looking to go down to this 117 really long term. And then we've got these nice round numbers here, 119, 118. So we'll see what happens there. And then Aussie yen is another one I want to be short. Again, this is going to be impacted by the China trade deal. So we'll see what happens with the tariffs that are supposed to go in place on the 15th. Any rhetoric you hear around that could definitely impact the price action here. But I'm kind of just going to wait and see. I wouldn't mind seeing a bump up into the 75.30 and even 76 range, and then go long all the way down to 72 longer term. So you can see the long-term downtrend still well in place here, and we'll see what happens, like I said, with the tariffs later this week. So right now I'm just kind of keeping an eye on price action. We've got some news both for the pound, dollar, and euro later this week, so we could definitely see some volatility. And then again with the tariffs that are supposed to come on later this weekend. So we'll see what happens. If anything changes, I will jump back on. Otherwise, have a good trading week, and I will talk to you later.